Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to copy a deposit link on Busha. Now, copying a deposit link on Busha typically involves this step. Access your Busha account through the mobile app or website, find the wallet, deposit or a similar section within your account, select the cryptocurrency, that is to choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit. If a deposit address or link isn't already displayed, there should be an option to generate one. This may be labeled as generate address, show address or something similar. Once the address or link is displayed, there should be a copy button or icon next to it. Tap or click the copy button to copy the address or link to your device clipboard. Alternatively, you can manually select the address or link and use your device copies function. You can now paste the copied address or link into the appropriate field on the platform or wallet you're using to send the cryptocurrency. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.